When hurricanes strike, they leave devastation in their wake: flooded homes, power outages, and disrupted lives. But here's the thing. With the right preparation and strategies, you can dramatically improve your chances of survival and minimize the impact on your loved ones. In today's video, we'll break down the essential skills and steps you need to know to stay safe before, during, and after a hurricane. Whether it's your first hurricane experience or you're looking to strengthen your emergency plans, these tips will prepare you for the worst while giving you the confidence to face the storm. Let's jump into what it takes to survive a hurricane. Preparation is everything when it comes to surviving a hurricane. Here's what you need to do. Create a family emergency plan. Discuss and decide on evacuation routes, a safe meeting point, and a communication plan. Make sure every family member knows the plan by heart. Include specific plans for pets and individuals with special needs. Assemble an emergency kit. Your kit should include non-perishable food and water for at least 3 days. Plan for 1 gallon of water per person per day. Flashlights, extra batteries, a manual can opener, and a whistle. A first aid kit with bandages, antiseptic wipes, and any necessary medications. Important documents stored in waterproof bags, including IDs, insurance papers, and emergency contacts. Fortify your home. Install storm shutters or board up windows with plywood. Clear gutters and drains to prevent flooding. Secure or bring inside outdoor items like furniture, tools, and grills. Pro tip: keep your car's gas tank full in case you need to evacuate, and charge all electronic devices in advance. Once the storm begins, your safety depends on staying calm and following these steps. Stay informed. Use a battery-powered radio or mobile alerts to track updates from local authorities. If evacuation is ordered, don't hesitate. Leave immediately. Find safe shelter. Stay inside and away from windows, doors, and skylights. An interior room on the lowest floor, like a bathroom or closet, is usually the safest spot. Avoid risky activities. Resist the temptation to go outside to check the damage during the eye of the storm. It's a temporary lull, and conditions can worsen quickly. Emergency lighting. Use flashlights instead of candles to reduce the risk of fire if power goes out. Flood safety. If your home begins to flood, move to higher ground, but avoid climbing into the attic unless you have a way to escape. Rising floodwaters can trap you. The storm might be over, but dangers still linger. Here's what to do. Exercise extreme caution. Down power lines, debris, and floodwaters pose serious hazards. Avoid wading through water. It could be contaminated or conceal sharp objects or electrical currents. Check for damage. Inspect your home for structural damage, gas leaks, and flooding before re-entering. Document all damage with photos for insurance purposes. Stay connected. Communicate with neighbors and local authorities for updates and relief resources. Check in with family and friends to let them know you're safe. Conserve resources. If power is out, use food and water supplies sparingly. Prioritize non-perishable items and keep a close eye on perishables if refrigeration isn't available. Pro tip: keep a written list of emergency numbers handy, as cell phone networks may be down. Hurricane survival boils down to 3 key stages: preparation, action, and recovery. Prepare ahead of time by making an emergency plan, fortifying your home, and assembling a kit with essentials. During the storm, stay informed, shelter safely, and avoid taking unnecessary risks. After the storm, prioritize safety, check for damage, and connect with local resources for assistance. Remember, survival is about staying one step ahead of the storm. Every action you take today can make a huge difference when disaster strikes. The time to prepare is now. Take action by creating your emergency plan, building your survival kit, and sharing this information with your loved ones. Preparation isn't just about staying safe. It's about empowering yourself to face challenges with confidence. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who might need these tips. Hit the subscribe button for more survival strategies and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. Together, let's build a community that's prepared for anything. Stay safe, stay strong, and remember, you can survive this storm if you plan ahead.